Okay, I just finished showing you, we put the shower head in with the wand, but it's awful high. I can reach it, but my mother's 88, she's staying here, and I think that's gonna be too high for her. So what I did is I bought a bracket that I can install right here. Okay, and then we can put the wand there. Now I elected to buy one that you didn't have to drill through the tile. I don't always like drilling through the tile, and I found this one that you had an adhesive to put it on. The only problem with it is you can't use it or can't get it wet for 48 hours. So I elected to go this direction only so I didn't have to drill through the tile. All right, so I've already cleaned the tile. Clean it thoroughly, okay? Just making sure it's dry. Got the adhesive. Open up the adhesive, it gives you a little punch in the top here. Punch it. Now it's very important where you put the adhesive. You don't want to put it in the bowl, okay, because this does move. So put it here. Okay, you can use the dot method that I used, or you could just go in a straight line all the way around, but do not put it anywhere in the center. Okay. All right, now make sure you have this. So the wide end is at the top. You have a wide end and a narrow end. This way when it goes, sits in there, it sits in that little pocket. Now decide where you want it and then place it. I'm going to clean the excess adhesive off now before it dries. Now, they give you a little sticker so that you don't mess up and accidentally use the shower. It says not to get it wet for 48 hours. So, I'm gonna put this little sticker here. I think I just want to put it there so that everybody knows not to get it wet. All right, now that completes the shower head. I have a new shower head. Oops. I have a new shower head, a new shower wand, okay? And to make it more convenient, I bought a shower holder that I can put in lower. Okay, can't use it for 48 hours, so we'll let that dry. But there you go, it's simple. You can do this. Shower head, wand, and a holder. Building with Papa. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. Well, thought the sticker might be a little ridiculous, but I think the sticker's supposed to be there to hold it there for you, because it didn't stay by itself. I put the sticker on top, and that didn't work out. So I put the sticker underneath. Now that'll hold that there for 48 hours and let it dry. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. All right, see you on the next one.